So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen Adwera and I am back again with a new video. And in today's video guys, I'm just basically going to take you through on how I managed to assemble those frames as I said earlier in my other video. So guys, basically I'm just going to show you how I just went to Gikomba and together with my fundis we managed to assemble those frames. So guys, by the way, as I said earlier, you can either do any type of frame you want. They have, but every type of frame you can get it there. So they do the plain ones, the flowered ones, but as I said earlier, I decided to go with the flowered one because of the pattern that of the wainscoting pattern. So that's why I decided to go with the flowered one. But also when I'll be going back for the next frames, because I said earlier that on the other wall I'm going to put family photos, I'm going to go with the plain ones. So guys, that's just it. Let's see the process on how I managed to get these frames, which if you want you can also do it by yourself. Si lazima ununue frames kwa supermarket. You don't have to go to the supermarket and buy frames. You can have it on a affordably. Is my English correct? Is the English correct? I hope so. So guys, don't worry, I'm this glammed up. My face is beat because I was doing a TikTok video, and by the way, you're supposed to follow me on all my media platforms. Go follow me on my Instagram, and that Instagram by the way has been dormant. It hasn't been dormant. I started an Instagram account, another one. I opened another one because the other one that I had ili kind of blockiwa, or I forgot the password. So I had to start a new one. So go follow me there too. My usernames are everywhere are Maureen Adwera, just like hapa kwa YouTube, Facebook Maureen Adwera, Instagram Maureen Adwera, TikTok Maureen Adwera. So if you're following me, kindly go follow me on all other my media platforms. I know you get it. And my voice is also cooked. I don't know why. But hey, either way, so let's just go to Gikomba. And by the way, if you haven't to be passing by, joining this family for the first time, don't forget to click that subscribe button, because here we've got mad content, we've got love, we spread laughter, just basically everything that is needed. So hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you get notified. My voice. What's wrong with my voice? What have I been eating? Anyway, so guys, let's just jump. Don't mind my voice. I don't know what's wrong with my voice. Let's just jump into the video. And I forgot to say, for those who have been following me, for those who have been watching my videos from day one, guys, nawapenda, I love you so much, and I do not take your support for granted. So guys, let's just jump into the video and see how we manage to assemble those frames. So and now we are already at the site. So I came with my sister, and we were trying to choose the flower pattern that we like, and we decided to go with this one. And now they were cutting the frames to the sizes that we wanted. And guys, by the way, we were told that this is the place where all local frames in Kenya are assembled, in this area. Not sure about that, but that's what we were told here. So get the when you are home. Haweki picha gani? And now this is the box that we bought, and so he was trying to cut the box into pieces so that it fits in the frames. So now, as you can see, after the frames have been joined together, they now pepper them to give them that smooth, perfect finish. So they're doing a very good job, by the way, and the outcome is very, very beautiful, as you can see. So they're prepping them for painting. And so guys, after painting the first coat, they will now let the frames dry. Then again, they will sandpaper the frames. Then now is when they'll paint the second and the third coat according to your satisfaction, till you'll feel that now the color is okay with you. I now want to assemble my frames as I told you earlier, and I brought them back home. So I now have the frame. Let me show you. I think I showed you earlier. So this is the frame, and I have my glass, the box, and then the tacks. So I'm using tacks kupiga huko nyuma because I didn't get those I don't know they're called. These are kushikilia huko nyuma. I didn't get them because the person was supposed to kunipatia hakuwa nazo, so I'll use this one for the time being mpaka tena ni get from my supplier. So I have my picture that I'm going to use, this one. And I printed my pictures in town. So, and first I had already framed these two. So I want to show you how I am going to assemble these other two. So I'm going to put my glass. It's clean. I had already wiped it. So I'm going to put that glass like that, as you can see. Then I'll put my picture like that. It's very easy, guys, by the way. It's not hard. Then I'm going to use my box. So yeah, you see. Then now, let me check if it's the balance. Yes. So now, so now I'm going to get these tacks. So these I'm going to use these ones kupigilia huko nyuma kushikilia glass because I didn't get those things that I've said I didn't get. Nikipata na replace. For now I'm just using these ones. And I'm going to use this. So my hammer, it may give up, guys. Imefanya kazi but it may give up. I have to purchase a new one. So yeah. And so guys, as you can see, I was trying to carefully hit the tacks at the back of the frames. And guys, while doing that, you have to be very careful. Don't use a lot of energy because you might end up breaking the glass. So you have to hit the tacks carefully and slowly. So, and then you try to hit each and every corner because you know this is what is going to protect the glass from falling and from making everything balanced. So You have to be very, very, very careful with this one. So guys, I'm trying to press. That corner was proving to be a bit difficult. I'm trying to balance the box and the picture, so I'm trying to press them down, and also at the same time being careful so that I don't spoil everything. So yes, so I got it and everything was cool now. I've already fixed everything and they're ready to be hung. So I want to measure where I'm going to put the hooks and where I'm going to tie that hook so that I hang them. Guys, so now it's day 2, so it's the next day. I didn't finish assembling my frames and now I've assembled them, as you can see, and now I am ready to hang them. I just want to wipe the glasses. That's the engine. Then now I just hang them. You can see they are now ready to be hung. I have assembled them. Yes. And so guys, this is how the frames finally looked on the wall after putting them up. And guys, I must confess that this is one of the most beautiful projects that I have ever done. The outcome was mm, mm, mm. The outcome was so beautiful, guys, and as you can see it yourself, the measurement was perfect. Iliingiana vizuri, guys, and we love the outcome. So what do you think? So guys, that's it. Guys, you've seen the video and the process on how I managed to. So anyway, let me just tell you the truth, guys. I'm still excited, and as I said, that this is my favorite part of the house. And by the way, my friend, everybody who's coming in is liking and loving, and most of the people are not believing that it's me who did this work. So I'm still excited. I'm still over the moon over this wall, but it only take a while for me to just quizoya. So guys, anyway, that's it. Hope you've seen the process. Hope you've learned one or two things, and hope you've come to learn that you can achieve anything, and that you can do anything that you want and achieve anything that you want at an affordable rate or expensive way. It depends on your budget, and it also depends on your pocket. So you do you, and go for what's good for you, and also go for what you can afford. So guys, that's it. Let's just close the video and also wait and meet on my next video, which kama kawaida, as always, so excited and so glad and can't wait to be with you guys again. So from this end, that's it, and continue subscribing, continue sharing my video, share with my video with my friends, with your friends, guys, so that at least let's grow these families. Let your friends also join in and get to learn on a lot of things. So let's meet up on my next video, guys. I hope I've said subscribe. Now subscribe, guys. Don't watch my videos and don't subscribe. Please kindly subscribe, share my videos with your friends, and until my next video, Naji repeat, mapenzi tele, and I love you guys kama kawa. Mwah, mwah, mwah.